How to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, let's shoot a quick video. Say for example a random video like this. Now the next step is you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, this one right here, so we can access this section where we will be adding our video from our camera roll. Now as you can see on this page right here, there are some options on the the right corner of your screen. We want to click on the last option, which is the import media option, this one right here. If you click on it, you will access your camera roll, so you can choose the video that you want to add. So say for example I want to add this random video, and let's click on the check mark. Now as you can see here, the video has been added at the bottom of the screen. We have two videos. What we need to do right now is we need to click on the first video that we shoot and we need to delete it. So when you deleted this clip, it only leaves us with the clip that we added from our camera roll. Let's click on preview. So it's this one here. You can edit your video just like you do, add text, stickers, music, the usual stuff. And once you're done, click on next to continue, and here you will be able to send it to anyone of your friend right here as a snap. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send videos from your gallery or camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.